Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can change and customize the font for your emails and messages sent through the Thunderbird application, for example, on your desktop computer or laptop. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, navigate to the message you would like to send here on Thunderbird. You can do this here inside your Thunderbird account by clicking into that new message button in the top left corner with the associated or linked email address. And what you want to do next, guys, is here in that window is simply use these buttons here, for example, like bold letters, italic letters, underline, and so on and so forth to customize your text. You may also choose the text color here, for example. Let me go with that one here and click into OK here, and so on and so forth. You may increase the text size or font size, decrease, choose a different font from that list. You may also click into format here and navigate to the font section and simply customize your font from here. Choose a font style, the text style, apply as previously mentioned, bold letters by using this button or by using the shortcut Ctrl+B. And yeah, as you can see, there's quite a lot of customization options like various headings, the paragraph. You may change the alignment, indent, outdent. So guys, that's how you customize your text in your messages and emails on Thunderbird. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.